Here are some example questions that may help you in tonight's homework. So, simple question, in brackets 4x plus 9 plus brackets 3x plus 7. So the next thing we're going to do is I want to collect the like terms and eliminate the brackets. So when I say the like terms, I mean, first of all, I'm going to collect the x's together, and then I'm going to collect the constants together. So I've got 4x, now I've got a plus 3x, so that's my two x values. Now I've got a plus 9, and I've got a plus 7. Once I've done that, I'm going to add these two together, which gives me 7x. Then I'll add those together, and that gives me 16. So my final answer, when I've simplified things, is 7x plus 16. Looking at another similar example, negative 3x plus 1 plus 4x plus 3. Again, we've got the brackets there. Brackets aren't doing a lot for us yet, but you'll see in the future, in the next couple of questions, how it becomes more important. So again, we're going to start by collecting the x values first of all. So we've got negative 3x plus 4x. Then collecting the two constants, plus 1 plus 3. Adding the x values together. Negative 3 plus 4 is x. And 1 plus 3 is 4. So my final answer, when I'm simplifying, is x plus 4. 5x plus 7 minus, now here the brackets start to become more important, bracket 3x plus 1. So the key thing here is when we've got this negative out in front of the bracket, it means that that negative is really a negative 1, and it's being multiplied by both the negative 3x and the 1. So if you multiply negative 1 times 3x, you're actually going to get a negative 3x. And if you multiply negative 1 times 1, of course, you'll get a minus 1. So now we want to collect the like terms again. So we've got the 5x minus the 3x plus 7 minus 1. Collecting the x's, 5x minus 3x is 2x. 7 minus 1 is 6. So my final simplified equation is 2x plus 6. Okay, the first set of brackets, 6x plus 3, then subtracting, and again brackets, and in those brackets we've got 9x minus 3. Same situation, I've got a negative out front of those brackets, so that negative is a negative 1 that's being multiplied by both of the items in the brackets. So I end up with negative 9x. Now minus negative 3, and when you've got minus a negative, when you're subtracting a negative, you're actually adding that value in. So it's a plus 3. So now we've got 6x plus 3, and we're going to go ahead and collect the like terms. 6x minus 9x plus 3 plus another 3. 6 minus 9 is negative 3x, and of course 3 plus 3 is 6. Negative 2x plus 7 minus, in brackets, negative 3x minus 5. Again, that negative, it's a negative 1, remember, multiplies by both of those terms, but we've got a negative times a negative, so that means we've got a positive. So we have plus 3x, and again a negative times a negative, so we've got a plus 5. We've got a negative 2x plus 7. We'll go ahead and collect the like terms. Negative 2x plus 3x is just x, and 7 plus 5 is 12. So far, all of the examples have just had an x variable and a constant, but there's no reason why we can't have a y variable in there as well. Following the same approach, we collect the like terms. So we put the x's together, and then we put the y's together. That gives us 6x plus 9y. And this is going a little beyond what you have to do, I think, in your homework. But supposing we had negative 4x plus 3y minus 12 minus negative 3x minus 2y plus 9, and we can solve that as well. Collecting like terms, we've got a negative 4x, and here we're subtracting a negative, so that means we're adding 3x. Then we've got a plus 3y. And here again we're subtracting the negative. So we've got a plus 2y, got a negative 12, and then we're subtracting 9. And we can go ahead now and add them together. Negative 4x plus 3x is negative 1x. 3y plus 2y is 5y. And negative 12 minus 9 is negative 21.